A significant sidewalk repair project will be getting underway throughout the city. Approximately $1.5 million will be spent to remove and replace sidewalk and curb ramps in 17 different locations throughout Durham. Over 11,000 linear feet of existing damaged sidewalk will be impacted. Additionally, when a street is changed through roadway maintenance activities such as repaving, repair, or preservation, or if sidewalk construction or repair activities are performed, then public right-of-way accessibility guidelines are triggered. In compliance with those guidelines, the adjacent curb ramps must be upgraded to current standards. To conform to the current guidelines, over 250 curb ramps associated with the upcoming city repaving projects will be upgraded, as will approximately 50 curb ramps associated with sidewalk repairs included in this project. Construction is expected to begin this month and be completed in April of 2020. For more information, visit durhamnc.gov/3807.